So first we had the SBC planner, right? This SBC planner is a successful by choice planner where you can plan and manifest your money. So this planner right here, we got that one on Amazon, $37. Now we actually have a printable planner where you can print it yourself. You can go and buy the planner and you can print it yourself. And the pages are already here. You can print the front page and put it inside of your binder like this. It's the same content on the inside except you're printing it yourself. So you could turn it into a 90-day planner, a 365-day planner, because it's the same stuff. It's just in here where you can put it together yourself. All you need is a hole puncher, your paper, your printer, and there you go. You got your whole binder full of stuff. And also, in the beginning of the planner, you know, you have a place where you can put your vision board pictures and what you want in your life and what your vision board and everything. Well, guess what? In the printable planner, we have included some of the vision board pictures. That way, if you don't know what to put, we kind of put some of the stuff in here to give you some ideas, and you can cut those out and put them in your front page of your planner. You want to have your vision board right in front of your face every single day. So you want to put it in your planner so that every day when you open your planner to work inside of it, you seeing your vision, you seeing it, you've been able to meditate on it, you've been able to look at it and see yourself in the future. It belongs in your planner. So this is a printable planner that I just released, and you can get it for cheaper than the actual book. Now you can get either one because both of them are available, but these are the two we have. You have the physical copy and you have the printable copy, whichever one floats your boat. So you have a printer, a hole puncher, and some paper and some ink inside your printer. You can get this printable planner. Oh, and a binder, 3-ring binder. You're gonna have to have your binder to put it all together. And then get one where it has this little opening at the top so you can slide your book cover in the front. So you want to have one with this clear little opening at the top where you can just slide your cover in the front. So that way it kind of gives you the similar feel. It gives you a similar feel. This one is the actual book, 90 days. This one is, you can make it 90 days, 6 months, whatever you want to make it, because you print as you go. So that's it.